we have to bring in Todd Bubba Horwitz to take a look at this trading market with me now. Happy to have you on the show.
It's great to be here.
It's a great market for traders right now. We have been whipping around like mad.
Well, I think that what you really saw is, especially if you go back to Tuesday, the markets were going to open much higher. Everybody knew that because of Monday's action, Tuesday's action. Even though Monday was closed, the futures were open, but the VIX was up substantially, even though the markets were going to open up 200, which is right away a sign that there's going to be most likely at least a little bit of a pullback. And sure enough, we had almost a key reversal on a couple of the indices on Tuesday. And then of course on Wednesday you had more of the whip, which means that volatility may be coming back, and traders' lives will light up like mine if we get some volatility. We'd be happy to see that come back.
Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin's been getting hit hard this week.
But I do think that it's been under a lot of pressure. I mean, Bitcoin was down 3,000 one day, it's on another 2,500. It's ugly, but again, sometimes into ugliness comes some pretty good buying opportunities.
Are you buying any Bitcoin stocks?
Yeah, of course. Look, these are more sheer we'll call them for entertainment purposes, okay? There are a couple of small $3 and $4 stocks that I play around with all the time. Mara being one, MARA, and Grow, which we've talked about before here, which did pop up, GROW. They're linked to the Bitcoin more closely, and like I said, they're $3 or $4 stocks right now. In the mid threes. I'm a buyer of these for a pop. Last week Mara was trading at 550. Now it's down in the mid threes. You look for these if you want to be in the Bitcoin space without exposing yourself to all that money that you have to see when you see these wild swings. These are the stocks to play it through. Mara, Grow, if you want to go up a little higher, Riot is another one. Those are all great stocks to look at because they directly correlate to what's going on in the Bitcoin. And if you want to get into that space and play with a little bit, that's the way you get in.
You also took a shot on JP Morgan.
Well, yeah, I took a shot on JP Morgan right before earnings, and unfortunately I was wrong. I was right on earnings. I called the report right, but they had not priced it enough. The stock did rally, but one thing I want to make clear to everybody that you understand, it was a losing trade for me. And if you followed it, it was also a losing trade for you. But what you want to understand is we did a very limited risk trade that even though the stock moved up $6 or $7 from where we put the trade on, we only lost a very minimal amount. And that's one of the keys to being trading and successful trading is to understand and limit your risk, but while giving yourself the full-blown opportunity for the profit.
Thank you for your Trader Talk today.
Great to be here, thank you.